Hey there, I'm Trey Serna, and today on HISD Now, we're talking some football, some exciting historic news from Bellaire High School's win ensemble. Our campus close-up is taking us to Edison Middle School, and we're also talking about why our most effective teachers are staying with HISD. It is Monday, September 29th. But first, every school year districts go through something called staff leveling to align teachers with student enrollment. Now, some schools grow while others shrink. And this is a standard process that ensures the most effective teachers are leading our classrooms while keeping disruption to schools at a minimum. Now, when staffing adjustments are needed, HISD prioritizes teacher performance and certification. This year, leveling is impacting 160 teachers with certification in progress and 54 staff members. An additional 232 teachers are being reassigned to positions that need to be filled. Now, this process is about putting the best educators in front of students. Some big games this weekend under the Friday night lights. Check this out. First, Sterling fell short to Westbury 17-14 on Friday. They're now 2-3 on the season. Now, Westbury is now 4-1. Then on Saturday, the Yates Lions took down the visiting Worthing Colts 55-14. The Lions remain undefeated at 5-0, while the Colts dropped to 1-4. And on the volleyball court, Washington took down Worthing 3-1, with Washington winning the first, third, and fourth sets. Worthing won the second set. And check it out, this past weekend, Del Mar Stadium hosted the mid-season football clinic. Now, this is a unique opportunity for high school and college football coaches to come together and share insights and reflect on their progress so far this season. The clinic focused on evaluating team performance, identifying areas for growth, and preparing strategies to continue, that is, the season strong.
Hands on the horn. Ready.
And check this out, new to the channel today is this feature on the Bellaire High School Wind Ensemble. Now get this, for the first time ever, an HISD school has been chosen to perform at the Western International Band Clinic in Seattle. They take the stage in November. Now be sure to go watch how they're preparing for this opportunity of a lifetime, and of course, best of luck to all of them. And check this out, this past Friday, we celebrated the district-wide elementary and secondary teachers of the year. Congrats to Cynthia Guerrero of Fondren Elementary and Laura Klein from Black Middle School. Now, these outstanding educators were chosen from among the many exceptional teachers across our schools, recognizing their dedication, passion, and positive impact on students. And of course, a big thank you to all of our teachers for all the incredible work you do each and every day.
Unlike most districts who celebrate at the end of a year, we actually are waiting until data comes out over the summer to make sure that we're celebrating teachers and principals who have held the line on accountability, academics, a high-performing culture. So these are the highest performing educators of the entire district.
And this week, we're shining a spotlight on Edison Middle School, home of the Rangers, and a school bursting with creativity, culture, and now even more reason to celebrate. Now, this historic school is marking its 100th anniversary this year, and they recently earned an A rating. That was certainly a point of pride that Principal Guzman shared with us before our visit. We just uploaded that full conversation with Principal Guzman to our YouTube channel. And coming up tomorrow, we're diving into the school's diet program. From a barbershop to spin class, see how these unique courses are shaping students' futures. That's tomorrow on HISD Now, so be on the lookout. Well, HISD is focused on hiring and retaining the best teachers to lead our classrooms. And looking at our teacher evaluation results from last school year to this year, more of our distinguished teachers in the top 2 performance tiers came back than those in the lower tiers. You can check out this chart right here. Now, retention goes up as proficiency goes up, meaning our most effective educators are choosing to stay and teach in HISD. Much more to come on teacher retention right here on HISD Now. As always, thank you for connecting with us, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share these stories. We'll see you back right here tomorrow.